Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Oh Love on guitar using an easy method. We will begin by identifying the 4 essential chords that form the foundation of the song. Next, we will explore a straightforward strumming pattern that is simple to master. Finally, I will guide you through combining these elements, helping you transition smoothly between chords to play the entire song with confidence and ease. The core of Oh Love relies on just 4 fundamental chords: G major, D major, E minor, and C major. These are incredibly common in popular music, making them excellent to learn. Focus on forming each chord shape cleanly, ensuring every note rings out clearly without buzzing. Take your time to switch between them slowly at first, building up finger strength and muscle memory for smooth transitions. Now, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is quite straightforward. We will use a simple down, down-up, up-down motion. The key is to maintain a consistent rhythm and keep your wrist relaxed to avoid tension. Start by practicing this pattern without any chords, just focusing on the flow. Once you feel comfortable, try incorporating the chord changes, ensuring your strumming remains steady and even. Finally, it is time to combine everything you have learned. Begin by playing the chord progression with the strumming pattern at a very slow tempo. Focus on making clean chord changes and maintaining a steady rhythm. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Listen to the original song to get a feel for the timing and dynamics. With practice, you will be playing Oh Love confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.